Hello students, today we are going to see 12th standard business maths chapter 2 integral calculus 1 exercise 2.1. Let us integrate 3 plus x into 2 minus 5x into dx. So that is equal to, first you have to multiply these two terms, integral of 3 2s are 6 minus 15x plus 2 into x 2x minus 5x squared into dx. So what is the form? Let us simplify this one. Integral of 6 minus 13x minus 5x squared into dx. Formula for integral of x power n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So using this formula we have to integrate this term 6 into dx. We have to integrate the term 6x minus, don't put integrate symbol for this one because using formula. So 6x minus 13x squared by 2 minus 5x cube by 3 plus c. This is the answer for integration of this one. The next sum is integral of 1 by root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1 into dx. Let us take the conjugate of the denominator. What is the conjugate of the denominator? Root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 is the conjugate. You have to multiply and divide both denominator and numerator. We will get integral of root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 divided by root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1 into root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 into dx. So this is the formula for a plus b into a minus b. So let us consider this is a squared minus b squared. So that is equal to integral of root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 divided by root of x plus 1 the whole squared minus root of x minus 1 the whole squared into dx. So that is equal to integral of root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 divided by square root and square will be cancelled. So you have to take x plus 1 minus x plus 1. You have to multiply this minus into this term into dx. So x and minus x will be cancelled. So the denominator is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So that is equal to integral of root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 divided by 2 into dx. 1 by 2 is the constant term, so you have to take out of the integral 1 by 2 into integral of, you have to consider as this root will be goes into the power, so x plus 1 the whole power 1 by 2 minus x minus 1 the whole power 1 by 2 into dx. So now you have to use the formula for integration 1 by 2 into x power x plus 1 the whole power n is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. In the same way this is also x minus 1 the whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 1 the whole power 3 by 2. In the denominator goes 3 by 2. It goes into the reciprocal. So it is 3 by 2. Again 3 by 2 it goes 3 by 2. So minus x minus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus c. In both terms having 3 by 2. So you have to take out of 3 by 2. So that is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 3 by 2 into x plus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 minus x minus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Now the 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So the final result is 1 by 3 into x plus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 minus x minus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 plus c. Let us see one example sum from exercise 2.2. Integral of root 2x minus 1 by root 2x the whole squared into dx. Let us expand this one a minus b the whole squared formula. So integral of a squared, so root 2x the whole squared minus 2ab, 2 into a into b, 2ab plus b squared, so 1 by root 2x the whole squared into dx. So that is equal to root square 2 the whole square means that is 2x. So root and square will be cancelled. So 2x squared. Root 2x cancel. So minus 2 plus 1 by 2x squared into dx. Now we have to integrate this one using formula. Integral of 2 is the common term. So you have to take out of the common term constant term. So 2 is the constant term. So you have to take outside. So you have to integrate this x squared. We will get x cube by this is change into 2x squared means you have to get first you have to get root 2 the whole square. So you have to take out of the root square and root will be cancelled. So 2x minus 2 plus 1 by 2x into dx. You have to integrate this one. So you will get 2 is the constant term. So you have to take outside and x squared divided by 2 and minus 2 into dx x 2x. So you have to take 2x and plus 1 by 2 is the constant term and log 1 by x, integration of 1 by x into dx is equal to log x. So put log x for this term. So this here log modulus x plus c. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So the remaining answer will be x squared minus 2x plus 1 by 2 log of modulus of x plus c. This is the answer.